I just got this beautiful bundle. My husband actually bought me this for Mother's Day. Totally surprised me, so I was really excited. She's got her cute label tape here. I got a really cute card from her that was handwritten. So the first thing I noticed is the cute way it's packaged. And here's the first thing. It's a cute little sign. It says, "Don't look back, you're not going that way." Super cute. And then this, I'm excited. It makes me feel fancy because my friend Robin has recently gave me a bunch of succulents. So I'm excited to use my plant mister, and I feel fancy, and I'm gonna water them, and hopefully they will turn out great. Tori takes the time to make tags for most of her items, and it gives you ideas on how to style and use your products. It says, "Fill me with water to keep your plants happy. Use me for cooking with your favorite oil, or create a homemade room spray with a lovely fragrance." Super cute. Next, this adorable straw bag is one of my favorite things in the box. It's so versatile, but first, before I do that, I am going to open this. And I love all the cute details that is included with the wrapping, with the string. It's just all so cute and well thought out. This is the best smelling candle you will ever smell. Usually the Anthropology candle, volcano one that is my favorite, but this is my new favorite. It's beautiful. It's called Awaken, and it's apple, jasmine, sage, sandalwood, 96-hour burn time. It smells amazing. I love it. It's got this beautiful jar that it comes in, which you can use for other things when the candle burns out. And here's the cute bag. It's super versatile. You can use it for the beach. You can use it to put groceries in it. Just use it as an everyday summer purse. I love it. And I love the cotton detail in the straps. Next thing I'm going to open are these adorable ceramic berry holders, and come with 2 of them. They're just so cute. You can use them for so many different things. You can obviously use them for berries. These are just so cute and springy. It also comes with a cute succulent. They're just great to put around your house, in your bathroom, on your mantle, just anywhere to add a pop of color. The next item I'm going to open is this cute little guy. Oh, look how cute that is. Spring ceramic mug. Love that. One of my favorite things in the whole bundle. Look how cute that is. It can be used for so many different things. I already know the perfect thing for our family. Our family loves to hunt for shark's teeth, and we have so many. And so they're gonna go right in this bowl, and I just think that is the coolest way to display it. The tag says, "Plant something beautiful in me, fill me with your wine corks, or display me with interesting treasures inside like shells or shark teeth." And that's what we're gonna do. Last but not least is a really cute doormat. And I think this is just great because it ties everything together. I love how all the colors and all the fabrics and textures in the box coordinate. I can't wait to style them in my own home. My husband did a great job. He totally surprised me, and he hit a home run with this one. Fellas, if you're looking for a great gift, or women, for anybody, as a birthday gift, wedding, anything at all, this is a great present.